Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing a folding surprise cloud. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time. And then we're gonna open it, you're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Hello little artists, today we're gonna do a folding surprise with a bunch of clouds and a rainbow. I hope you like this lesson. We're gonna start in the outside part. And we're gonna start with the first cloud here in the center. We're gonna put my finger and I'm gonna do a curve. And then to the left, we're gonna do 1 and 2 and they connect with the folding part. The same here, 1 and 2. And let's cross the folding part and we're gonna do more curves down here to close my cloud, and they don't have to be the same as mine. You can change it a little bit if you want. The idea is that you have half of the cloud in the top and half in the bottom. Now let's do the rainbow. Here on the left side, a small curve that connects with the folding part, and make sure not to cross the folding. Now we're gonna do a second line and then one more over and then one more, and on the center of the cloud we're gonna do the last line right here. Okay, now we're gonna put more clouds on the bottom and on the top. I'm gonna start here on the top and we're gonna do a curve, the same thing that I did on the bottom. And remember, they can be different sizes, just like this. Now here underneath the rainbow, I'm gonna make another cloud and kind of following the same things, just curves. Here I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna join them here with a little bit of a curve. Now down here, I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna start doing curves, going around like this. And remember, if your picture does not look like mine, that is okay. We are trying to have fun while we're drawing, and you can change your picture if you want to. Okay, that's it for the outside part. Let's open the paper. And the first thing I'm gonna do is finish this cloud up here by doing curves underneath the folding part. And I'm gonna connect right here. Now down here, we're gonna do the same. I'm gonna start doing a curve and it needs to be over the folding part. Here, the same thing, 1 and 2 curves. And now we're gonna join them. And these curves, you can make it different as mine. The idea is that you close it until we get to the other side. Let's add more clouds right here. And I'm making sure not to cross the folding part. And the last one is gonna be here on the right side. I'm making curves to the left and I'm making it a little smaller on the bottom. Let's do 2 more clouds here. They are little in on the folding part. And I'm gonna start here with a little one. And behind this one, I'm gonna make one more. And before I get to the folding part, I close. Now let's make the rainbow cross until it gets to the bottom part. So I'm crossing the folding part. I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna continue doing these lines. And you can press the marker hard against the paper and that helps to go a little bit more straight. Or you can use a ruler if you want to, that will help too. If you need more time to finish your picture, remember you can pause the video until you catch up with me. Now let's change to a pencil and we're gonna use the pencil to do a circle. Now I want to do this by hand, but you can use, if you want, a plate, a cup, or anything that your mom and dad or your teacher is okay for you to use. I want to start down here on the last cloud you have and we're gonna start doing a circle across the folding part and make sure they go underneath the cloud that we have on the top. So it's a big circle. And these can take you a couple tries. That's why we're doing these with pencil. But if you have something rounded, it's much better. That's all we need the pencil for. Now let's go back to the marker. Okay, let's start here on the left side. By the folding part, we're gonna do a curve, get out of the pencil line and enter again. It's like a letter C. Now we're gonna do this line double and we're gonna do another curve that goes up. And before we connect with the pencil line, we're gonna stop. Now from this point, I'm gonna do the fingers by doing 1, 2, and 3 curves. And one more here for the thumb. Now let's start with the clouds that he has on his head, and they look like the soap where he's having a shower. So we're gonna go over the pencil line and I'm gonna do curves going around this pencil line, and you can make it as big or as small as you can, as long as it goes underneath the folding part and go over the pencil line. Now when I get to the hand, I'm gonna go around it. Now let's go underneath the pencil line. Let's go up, doing these curves right here by the pencil line. And when I get to the middle, we're gonna start opening these curves a little, going away from the pencil line, going down a little, and going around the hand. So the hand is inside of these bubbles. Now that I have this part, I want to make the hand that connects here with the bubbles. Now we're going to make the face of the sun, and it's going to go over the folding part. I want to start here in the middle, doing an oval shape, and we fill with black. The other eye is a U shape, so it looks like it's winking. And I pass the marker twice just to make the line thicker. And the last thing, the mouth here with a smile. And the last thing is a big smile that we're gonna do down here, passing the marker twice and doing 2 little lines to mark the smile. And the very last thing we're gonna do is trace the pencil line that I have left here. And on the other side, the same thing, going down and connect with the cloud. Now that I have these lines, I'm gonna erase the ones that are inside the bubbles. And there, that's it. We finished this folding surprise sun that is getting a shower on the clouds. Let's check how it looks when we close it. And this is how it looks when we open. I hope you like this lesson. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out in the outside part. At the end, I add all these raindrops, and at the end, I also add one more color because I have the space and I wanted to add the color red. Now, let's open the paper. And here's my sun that is having a shower on the clouds. Here, I add a lot of blue underneath the clouds. And at the end, I add these circles here to make it look like bubbles. I also add a few bubbles inside using a white gel pen, but if you don't have that pen, you can just leave it like that. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!